Today we are solving the Joint Entrance Advanced Mathematics paper 2019. Here a sample space of 3x3 matrices with entries from set 0, 1. Let the events E1 and E2. E1 is A belongs to S where determinant of A equals to 0, and E2 is A belongs to S where sum of entries A is 7. So the sample space is equals to 2 to the power 9. Here the probability of E1 divided by E2, probability of E1 over E2 is probability of E1 intersection E2 divided by P of E2. So here E2, in the E2 we have sum of entries, entries are 7. So 7 number of 1 and 2 number of 0 here. So it can be written as a matrix. This is 111 in the first row and the 111 in the second row and single 1 in the third row and 2 0 in the third row. So total E2 is equals to 9 factorial. 9 is the total probability, and here 7 number of 1 and 2 number of 0. So this is 8 into 9 divided by 2. So this is 36. Total E2 is 36. And here for determinant of A is 0 for both zeros. For both zeros should be in same row or column. Here the total determinant A, if this matrix is A, total determinant of this matrix is 0 for both zeros should be in same row or column. See this by calculation. So here the probability of E1 over E2 is equal to P of E1 intersection E2. P of E1 intersection E2 divided by P E2. Here P E1 intersection E2 is there is 3x3 matrix. Here the 3x3 matrix is given and there is 2 event. Here there is 3x3 matrix is given and there is 2 event. This into 2. So E1 intersection E2 probability is this, and P of E2 is total 36. So this is 18 by 36. So this equals to half. So the determinant of matrix will not the 0 if we put the zeros in different row or column. If we put this, we written it as in the first row this is 3 1, in the second row there is 2 1 and 0, and in the third row there is 1 0 and 2 1. So if we take the determinant of this, so this is 1 into 1, this is 1 into 1 minus 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 1, and this is 1 into 1 into 1 minus 0. So this equals to 1, this equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 3. If we put the zeros in different row or column, so we get the value of this determinant is 3. So here the probability of E1 over E2 is half. This is the correct answer for this question. So that's all for today.